A reality TV favorite has melted fans' hearts with a series of throwback snaps from their childhood posted on Instagram. The Only Way Is Essex star could be seen smiling for the camera in the restored photograph from her school days. 4. The Only Way Is Essex star posted the sweet childhood photograph credit, Instagram/Gemma Collins. 4. Gemma took to Instagram with a series of throwback snaps credit, PA. Gemma Collins took to her social media with the 3 restored photographs of herself, her parents and her brother over the weekend. One sweet snap saw the Diva Forever star close up as she smiled for a school photo, wearing a shirt and pinafore, and a bow in her hair. A second photograph pictures Gemma, enjoying the sunshine on a UK holiday with her mum Joan, looking glamorous in horse-riding clothes. While a third sees the young star with her hair tied up in a ponytail and sucking on a lollipop as she cozied up to her parents. Her dad Alan and brother Russell could also be seen in the family photograph, which looked to have been taken abroad. Gemma, 41, wrote a number of encouragements for her fans in the captions, including to be kinder to themselves. Be kinder to yourself, always know your worth, she wrote. The world is bigger than you think it is, and your worries aren't as important as you think they are, just be you. Don't worry if you look different, or feel you look different, from most. She went on to thank a photographic studio for restoring the snaps for her, which had been blurred and marred over time. Fans immediately flooded the comments section to gush over the cute images, dubbing Gemma beautiful and so cute. It comes days after Gemma bravely revealed that she hid her self-harming secret because she feared she'd be locked up forever. The 41-year-old will take an emotional look into her past to raise awareness in her upcoming Channel 4 documentary, Gemma Collins, Self-Harm on Me. In a teaser for the upcoming one-off, viewers saw the TV star admitting she never spoke about her self-harming battle because she was scared she would be sent to a mental asylum for the rest of her life. Gemma explained that she would wear long sleeves to hide the marks on her arms so teachers and friends never found out. The TV star said, "I hid it so well. I didn't do it every day or every week, it was every couple of months. But when I did do it, I knew how to cover it up. When I felt pressured I just would cut myself and feel fine again. It was always on my arm and I would feel like the stress had gone. But I never ever understood why I did it. People don't self-harm because they want to kill themselves. It's really complex." Speaking with her mother Joan in another scene, the former TOWIE star admits, "It's not like a normal conversation you can have with someone. I never told anyone because it was shameful, I was scared. I wish I were brave enough to ask for the help. I could have saved myself a lot of pain." 4. Gemma could be seen smiling alongside her parents credit, Instagram/Gemma Collins. 4. The star had a number of photos restored. Credit, Instagram /Gemma Collins.